ni John Vincent Panga. Berhel Serrano fighting Gio Garduque.
Obey my commands at all times. Protect yourself at all times. Good luck. Touch gloves.
Our third man in the ring is Alfie Jocosol. Again, medyo malalaking mama po tayo. I think that these two fighters are under the welterweight category. Ang pagkakaalam ko tong Berhel Serrano one time oh! Garduque, what a punch! Before I was interrupted, I think alam ko, bumawi naman yung Serrano. Yung itong Serrano one time naging prospect pala to for a Philippine team. Kaya lang nagkaroon ng injury ang mga knuckle nito, and then I think right now he is fully healed to show his wares in a boxing ring. Medyo heavy-handed tong dalawang boxer na to. I'm sure kung ganyan ang klase ng competition at baka hindi matapos tong 4 round, meron talagang hahalik sa lona, should I say the terminology term ng mga boksingero. Okay. Yung bere po, mamaya pa po yung bere. Pang ano pa po yan? Pang 13 bout pa po. Resume. I think medyo accidental naman yung ano doon sa groin area, medyo natamaan ni Serrano. Nice flick of jab by Serrano. Oh, wow! What a punch for Berhel Serrano. Set up by a jab, and that right straight send Garduque down to the canvas. Lintik ang lakas. Nayanig. We'll see. How will Berhel Serrano operate? Medyo nagkauntugan ng konti. Medyo konting clash of heads. Oh, yun. Nagkakauntugan, which is very, very dangerous. Under 35 seconds left on the initial round ng laban na to. Napaka-explosive ng round na to. Nung first stanza ayun na naman. Again, that combination send Garduque down to the canvas for the second time in a row. Matapang tintong Garduque. Although he was knocked down twice already. Ayun. That's the end. What a sensational win for Berhel Serrano. First round knockout win over a very game Gio Garduque. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo dun sa Berhel Serrano? Siya po ay tumitimbang ng welterweight, 147. I think he is very fast on that division, and I think meron talagang potensyal itong batang nito to gain ground sa boxing. Kayo, anong obserbasyon nyo dito kay Berhel Serrano? El Guapito Vlog, salamat sa panonood mo. Ramil Ataran, he will battle RR Andales. Pang 12 po siya. Pang 12 na lalaban. Ramil Ataran, pang 12 pa. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa nanonood sa inyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 2 minutes and 51 seconds of round number 1 for your winner by a technical knockout, Berhe